We're looping.
It's the fucking hotel.
If in JoJo you have a boat and like a tower.
Make sure I'm coming back to the exact you making it.
Oh. This girl's gonna die. Why is she even in this team?
She has to be capable of taking care of herself if she is on this team though. So
She's a new recruit, so we don't know.
yeah, maybe Makima's like, oh, she has something to take care of herself.
Oh, try the rooms. I guess try the rooms. Yeah, that's one we haven't tried yet.
Yo, look at that fucking room.
Oh.
Can you bust through the window?
Oh my god, it's the Tatami Galaxy.
Oh no.
Go through the door. See, they're still there.
We're in the Asteroid Demons.
Yeah.
Or what if it's just specifically the 8th floor and nothing else?
Yeah, what if slicing that one little demon activates it?
That was the way it activated, yeah. You fool, it wasn't just a rando.
I can't wait till we meet the shark guy and the half-faced woman in the background.
Yeah, and the guy way far in the back who's in the Pulp Fiction shot.
Blonde guy?
Yeah. So I don't know about you, but I'm still looping this opening since episode 1.
Oh, I saw someone make a video about what this song really is about. I was like, oh shit, it really is. What is that word? Shit, I can't, my head's blanking. But yeah, anyway, there was like a really good video about this song is actually deeper than you think.
As I expected from Japanese songs, they're always deeper after like new meanings that you can find.
Oh, remember that song that you thought that says come? It's not come, it's kon.
Yeah.
They tried everything.
Oh, even ceiling.
I was just saying this.
Oh. We're in hyperspace.
You got debated. Maybe you're in the belly of the beast. You're slowly being digested.
Yeah, wall's gonna start melting or something.
Maybe it's like sucking your energy.
This poor girl.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that's fucked.
Go be a...
What?
Oh.
Wow, that's so fucked.
What
man.
fucked up parents?
Oh my god. His faces.
Yeah.
His animation. That's true. He's thinking. Oh, it's stuck.
Oh.
Dude, this thing is really into the 8.
Za.
You're forever stuck here.
Oh.
You're just gonna have to break it.
I mean...
Can you try breaking the walls?
just destruct the entire place all at once.
It's like, wow, you are so thick.
Oh, to be a dog sleeping on a bed.
He's gonna be like, I cannot believe this dumbass. He really fucking just slept. I mean...
It was either gonna be that or he couldn't fall asleep.
There's nothing to think about, just sleep. Oh? Oh? Wait a minute. What happens if you eat their food? Will it come back again if you open the door where those things were coming from?
Or is this like a case with Dungeon Meshi where the effects disappear once it's in your stomach?
Oh my god. Wait, how long has he been asleep?
Oh god.
Fuck.
Torturous cat thought.
100% tax, what would that look like? Basically, you get nothing.
Yeah, you get no paycheck. Or you give up all your paycheck.
When you buy something, it's at 100% taxes. What the fuck does that even mean?
You give up your house when you buy a piece of food.
What?
Oh, smoking. Yo, that blimp.
Dirigible. Nope, that's always a bad idea. Don't social smoke.
Smokle.
Just because everybody's like smoking socially, you shouldn't do it. Ow.
Smack.
Mom? Oh.
Oh.
It's just like an actual cop.
When they don't know who else to like blame once things have happened.
Yeah, they usually lash out at the messenger. Did you slap her?
Got him.
It's not about logic, it just makes me feel pissed, so I did it.
It's about sending a message.
No, you're just gonna shorten his lifespan by smoking. Stop it.
I like my lungs.
And then he's got addicted.
I need smoke thoughts.
Children.
I have no fucking clue.
Where is it? Oh. Wait, what? So every time it comes out, it gets bigger?
Oh.
Ew!
Oh, that's a mess.
I don't know, it's disgusting.
I call this tumorous.
What? What? What the? Ew, this thing is audio is.
Oh, there's so many faces.
What the heck? What the heck? Who the heck? Who's that?
Kobeni? Wait, no, this might not be the way to go about it.
Is this her thoughts turned into like a weird thing? Damn, people don't even flinch here?
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Instant incapacitation.
I know, this audio is just,
Disconnected.
Oh? Yeah. Dude, the hand has a mouth. It's like Vampire Hunter D.
I think your Akira's moving.
Disgusting. The sound design of this is like really good though.
Mm-hmm. I feel like my brain's getting tickled.
Yes, I don't like it. I knew it.
The 8th floor has no weaknesses, like a JoJo stand.
The power of words? Oh. Oh, he's like, are you gonna kill me? Dude, that guy's getting like cabin fever.
2 of them have almost cabin fever.
Mm-hmm, that's what I'm saying. I was like, don't do it because they want it to happen.
Dude, I want to be smart and do taxes.
You guys are a bunch of kids!
Remember, they got swayed by gum.
That's true. Eat it! Why don't you try eating it instead? You're kind of half
I mean, if you
devil.
think about her ghost hand did kind of eat it with the mouth if you think about it. It only got bigger.
What? Wait, what happens if he uses sword?
Hmm?
Why? Why? Why?
What's this sword, like instant kill?
Oh no. Oh my god, it's her. It's Kobeni. She freaking oh no, of course no. I'm sorry. Kobeni, I'm sorry. Of course it was gonna be power. You're such a terrible liar!
Denji did it. Oh.
She's lost her mind. I was gonna say, what are you doing here? But she's forced to be in here.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Put the knife down.
Oh.
Dude, you're feeding it.
Oh, that scream.
See, I knew it. It's your thoughts that's feeding it. Her freaking, that's too crazy. You need to like calm yourselves.
Whoa.
Why does their voices almost sound like the group?
All of you have to kill your anxiety all at once?
What?
Eternity devil.
It's an eternity devil?
I thought it was the hotel, but this is fine too.
How the freak are you supposed to defeat an eternity devil? Ooh.
Alright, announce you don't want to live it. Oh, I hate it.
Ew. Why do you want Puchta? Dude, just get in there. Oh. What?
No, you are not sorting.
Oh. Aki, why do you have so many things that are like trying to kill you as a weapon?
His fox devil and this sword.
Just drop him in there and he'll turn into a chainsaw. And let him kill that thing from the inside. What? Ow!
Oh, side!
He protected him, what the hell?
He probably has this big fuck you sword for like the gun devil if he ever meets it.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
This isn't a friendship bullshit thing. I want it dead.
I love everybody's dumb reason.
Look, who's gonna keep me fed?
Can she close up his wound with blood? She can clog it. She's getting PTSD, man. Oh my god, this freaking group, this cool group is falling apart. Please do something, Denji. Just get in there, chop it up from the inside.
If it doesn't keep regenerating it.
I mean, at least try it. I'm not gonna get eaten for nothing. It ain't gonna be easy for you to digest my ass. With tongue.
Do you see its square nose?
Maybe like a window or door. Oh, even though if it does regenerate, it's still gonna feel pain, so it works.
It's gonna fucking hate feeling pain.
Oh my god, you guys are so not honest. I love that you guys have put in so many other reasons, but the actual true reason, you've come to grow some bond. That's what it is. Ugh.
Void.
I hate it. Yo, it really is infinity gross. Hello?
But we find out next time.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh.
Is it gonna tear shit up?
Oh.
Hey, I know this painting.
Oh.
I think I've seen paintings that look like this.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's like that cross hatch.
With the stairs all over it, yeah.
Oh, what? I've also seen it in like the labyrinth.
Yeah. Oh, Jammer?
The art, every single ending. You don't think you know what?
Alright, that one jammed hard too. We're 6 for 6 on endings here.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be all 12 for 12. Just my guess, you know, just a little hunch.
You know, I think all of these are gonna rule.
Visually though, I think I like the last one.
Oh, the one before this one? Yeah, it was
that
pretty good.
Crazy visuals and horses, and I'm like, well, yeah, okay.
I still think I still really like Chainsaw Blood, the first one.